Hello everybody, Min here. Welcome back to Your House Fitness. Today we're going to go over the downward elbow, also known as the 12 to 6 elbow. Not as common in MMA since it's banned in a lot of rule sets, but in Muay Thai it's super popular and super common, especially if you're a taller fighter. Because you're nice and tall, it's so easy to just drop your elbow down. Me, I'm really short, so I can't possibly throw it from out here because I'm not going to get any power and I'm going to miss most of the time. Instead, I'm going to take it from clinch range. So I'm going to bring the bag in into the clinch position. Make sure you're over the bag. Okay, a lot of times when people clinch, it's like middle school slow dancing, you know. They're 2 meters apart, they're super far away. When you're clinching, you gotta be nice and close, hips in. And you wanna be down on the bag with your pressure. And I'm on my toes so I can get up over it, okay? Once you're over the bag, you're just gonna make sure you turn your hips and you're gonna drop your shoulder down. Usually, you'll be controlling either the head or the opponent's gloves. If it's the gloves, you're going to pop the glove down to land the 12 to 6. But if you got the guy's head, you're already there. So let's just say I have his head. I'm pulling him in. Usually, you might thread with the knees to bring the hands super low. When the hands come down, you can drop your elbow down. See, I like to do it off of a knee feint, So I'll feint the knee, drop the 12 to 6. Or you can just keep it tight and just drop it. Sometimes I won't go back and forth because you'll lose the clinch. I'll usually keep one collar tie at least, super tight, and I'm not going to go all the way up and down. As I go up, he can escape from me. So I'm going to stay super close. Just drop it quick. Drop it quick. Drop it quick. Feint the knee. Drop it quick. You can even land your knees. You know, you're practicing your knees. Same timing. Okay? Now, when you land the 12 to 6, it's not always going to be directly down. Sometimes you're going to swim it to get to the side of the head or behind the glove. So when I pull him down, don't go straight up, straight down. You're going to pull him in, find the angle. Find the angle. Make sure you're landing on the strong part of your elbow here. If you slam your tricep on it, your arm will go dead and you have a very hard time fighting afterwards, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.